In this video, we're going to talk about how to cough and sneeze with a darker, deeper voice. You're watching TransVoice Talk, where every week I provide tips to help trans, non-binary, and gender questioning folks find a voice that aligns with their identity. If we haven't met yet, I'm Nicole Gress. I'm a speech pathologist and a trans voice coach. Okay, in this lesson, we're going to talk about some reflexive sounds like sneezing and coughing that, if they don't really align with the way that you sound when you speak, can turn a head or make you feel uncomfortable. Now, the strategy for staying dark when sneezing and coughing is similar because these two sounds are pretty divorced and separated from all of the voice work you've been doing on your speaking voice. Now, all you have to do to connect them is add in some sound. So for coughing, we're going to add an and for sneezing, an ooh. Let's start with coughing. So a normal cough is just slamming your vocal folds together. But adding an at the end of the cough puts a low frequency, dark, low, deep sound on the cough. Now, because with coughing, it doesn't matter much where you start. It's all about where you end. This lower sound will help darken and deepen your cough. Let's practice first a really dark, low Let's do a few of those. Good. Nice wide open throat. Now put it at the end of a cough. All right, now the sneeze. Similar to the cough, we're going to add a sound at the end of the sneeze. Now the sound we're going to do is ooh, and we're going to lean in to that stereotypical sound that we think of with the sneeze. So chew, ooh is the most round and dark vowel that you can make. So let's do a few of those. Ooh, ooh. Let's add in the cha, chew, chew. Now let's put it at the end of a sneeze. Chew, chew. Make sure that you let the lips actually go round. Let's do it again. Chew. Good. Now with both coughing and sneezing, the really important thing to keep in mind is what you do with your hands. Anytime you add your hands to your mouth, you're actually extending your vocal tract. Ooh. Hear how it darkens with the hands? Ooh. That means contrary to what is considered socially polite or sanitary, you're going to use your hands whenever you cough or sneeze. If you don't have the heart or the hand sanitizer to do that, you can just use your elbow and try to create a seal. So the crook of your elbow, but I'm going to seal my hand underneath. So instead of the sound exiting the bottom, it gets trapped and darkens like this. Or cool. So that's how to darken the sneeze and the cough. If you want more help darkening your speaking voice, just comment help below and I'll reach out to talk about resources and next steps. I'll see you back here next week for the next edition of TransVoice Talk. Bye.